guys, welcome to TMT. Sorry, I'm a little bit late. I got distracted. I'm so sorry. I was busy marking all my swing highs and swing lows from yesterday. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, yesterday's market was a little bit choppy and it just stayed bullish the whole time. If you watched yesterday, you would know I was wholeheartedly convinced that it was going to become bearish and take all those swing lows. I was completely wrong. Nope, did not get that one at all. But anyways, so sorry, like I said, I was busy just marking all of the swing highs and swing lows that happened, both on, sorry, is that good? Is that okay? Anyways, so on both my ES and there we go. There we go. So that you can kind of see what's happening there on that side. There we go. And on this side, here we go. Okay, so my predictions today are that it's going to be bearish and take all that liquidity that was chilling, that I was convinced it would take yesterday, and it did not take yesterday. Like, I mean, if we just, let's have a look, right? Chat, right? What did I miss? Nothing? Cool. Anyways, moving on. As I was saying, right, so if we have a look here, so all the big blip blip blips, what is it called? Big dotted line, there we go. Those are the swing lows. There's London low, by the way. Yeah, there's a lot for the taking. Whereas the highs, I mean, sure, there's some, but these have gradually been appearing during the course of the London session. But if we have a look here, yeah, yesterday it took everything. Yesterday was ridiculously bullish, and in my little brain I was like, it'll be bearish. Yeah, I was wrong, so hopefully today I'm right. I think today is going to then be a bearish day. That's my prediction anyways. Am I gonna be right? Who knows? But we will soon find out, right? Here we go. Speaking of soon find out, what time are we looking at? Okay, so we have 10 minutes to go before the markets open. That was not on there. There we go. 10 minutes to go. Yeah. Like I said, strong feeling that it's gonna be, why are we being so, there we go. Strong feeling it's gonna be bearish today to take all that liquidity. Again, you know what? I could be wrong. Shit happens, right? So let's have a look-see. I'm in my casual clothes. I'm drinking my tea because it's cold, but it's not that cold. Does that make sense? Like, I need my bikini and I need my tea, but if I put a jersey on, I'm gonna start sweating and I'm gonna be uncomfortable, and I don't want that. I don't think you guys want that either. Not like you can smell me, but you know. I doubt you guys want to be watching me sit here like, that's not a good look for anyone. So that's why I got my beanie, I got my tea, and I'm so ready for this. I'm excited for today. Yesterday was a bit of a weird day. I'll maybe do a recap a little bit later if there's time. It was weird. To give you an idea, right? I had 7 break-evens. That's a lot of break-evens. So 7 break-evens. A little bit weird, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, so 7 break-evens. Cool. Let me actually turn this off. This thing that loves to make noise. I must turn it off and it must go away. There we go. Sorted. Okay, so we have quite a bit of time. I should have done all of my Sorry. All my setup while you guys came on here to watch. Anyways, it has been a wild ride. It's been raining and pouring and like thunderstorms and lightning and just absolute madness. And because of that, my Wi-Fi is having a little mini hissy fit. Why? I don't know. I think it just decided that, you know, it's not enjoying this. So I'm having fun having to deal with that. Yeah. So you guys should feel super sorry for me. And I'm sure you all missed it. My millions there. I have to make funnies because I'm talking to myself. And I'm funny. And who else is as funny and clever as I am than me right now? With all of you watching. All 0 of you watching. I thought I heard a noise, which is weird because I'm home alone. If this becomes a murder scene and it's live, that would be crazy. I bet you all will be like, wow, I'll be famous then, huh? Then you guys will want to watch my channel. Which is rude. Why do I have to get murdered for you guys to want to watch my channel? Anyways. See? You guys need to come online and talk to me so that I can stop talking shit because, oh, the more I go, the more shit I keep talking. Also, super cute mug. Super stupid design. Like, I love it, and it, you probably won't be able to see, but it tells me the temperature of the contents. So cool. So cool, but one major flaw in the design. Ignore my lipstick, but I can't tip it back nicely. It has to like smack me in the face in order for it to be nice. Sorry, I have my casual clothes on today. My chill clothes. It's Friday. You know what that means? Super chill. So have a look. This is my fit. So yeah, they're a little bit baggy, which is why they're like sitting up by my ears. I have my grandpa pants on. And then it gives me like this weird crotch area. But you know what? I am comfortable and I have the world of pockets, and that is so cool. And you're all jealous. Well, listen, every single girl out there would be jealous with the amount of pockets I have. Why do women's clothing never have pockets? Do you know how annoying that is? Like, look, I would love to just have pockets with clothes. Okay. Shall we make a guess? I'm not going to put a trade in because I'm not fucking stupid. But I think it's going to take this liquidity. Okay, so the one thing that I've realized is that TradingView loves to take the piss out of me, right? So whenever I say something, it comes and does the exact opposite. So anyways, what I said was, I think it's going to take this and start being bearish. If it takes this before... Okay. If it takes this before opening, it's probably going to go... Maybe take that liquidity and then go bearish. Which would be pretty cool. I nearly said a lame joke, and I don't think you guys think I'm funny, and that's really mean. I'm cool. And oh. There it goes. Yeah. There's that liquidity gone. Say bye-bye. Oop. I know it hasn't opened, but check at that fucking thing right there. Damn. That just went... Good night. Thank you. I'm allowed to be weird, okay? We're all a little strange here. We have to be to do this. Do you want to know why? Because the number one thing is turning off our emotions. maybe not our emotions, right? We're allowed to feel upset about things, but we can't let emotion get involved in this. So we have to let our crazy out in other ways. I used to do it by doing degens. That was not a good idea. That was a waste of fucking money. To give you an idea, right? I did 7. So I tried it for a week. I did 7 degens. I won 1. The odds are supposed to be fucking 50-50. How? Like, yeah, that was a little bit brutal, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, I don't know how I managed to do that, but I did. So that's why I don't do degens anymore, because that's a lot of fucking money to waste just because you want to get that emotion out and try to take your guessing and gambling away. Fucking stupid. Don't do it. Maybe I'll do it one day again, when I have the money to lose, you know, and when I have more of you guys watching, because then you guys can give me a heads up. Then it's not me doing a, you know, then you guys can do it with me, and you can be like, you know what, I think it's going to be, you know, for example, I think when the market opens, see, I might be wrong. Oh fuck, look at me. Look at me being wrong. I did call it. I did fucking call it. I said it was gonna come take this liquidity. Yeah. I'm getting there. I'm learning, you know? And half of the fun is learning and figuring out these things and what do you think goes where and how and why. And that was cool. I love it when I'm right. Of course I love it when I'm right. I'm fucking stubborn. For those of you that don't know me, I'm a horse rider. We have to be a little bit fucked in the head to be able to do that. But anyways, so if I had put my trade in there, it would have gone boink and gone up. And that would have been amazing. So like I said, I predict it's going to be a little bit bullish, you know? Bear with me through my bill. And then it's going to be bearish for the rest. I thought the same thing yesterday, so, you know, fucking don't trust me on that. It's anyone's guess when it comes to that. The only reason I say that, right? Okay, I don't have like everything. I've been trying to be pretty good when it comes to my liquidity lines. This is all that's there for the highs. The lows, though. Can we just look at this? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. A lot of money sitting there, and there's more. Check here. The lows are pretty fucking hectic. So that's why I have that sneaky suspicion, right? I'm not saying it could go the other way, but you know, the highs up here, they're very fucking far away. It took a lot of them yesterday when it did the opposite of what I thought it would do. But hey, am I correct? Am I right today? Oh my god. I might actually be right today, guys. Moment of silence for my happiness. Okay. Well, not a moment of praise for my happiness. I guess you could kind of say that, right? Kind of something like that. Anyways, let's just make sure. I got makeup. Am I good? Amazing. Okay. Woo! Check at it go. I called it. Sell 5. I'm so sorry. That was so much louder than it was supposed to be. Sorry. I'll be good. I'll stop doing weird shit. Lies. There's that liquidity gone. Okay, so now. Okay, so the market's way too fucking volatile for me to even fucking think about putting an order in just yet. I'll get there, but not yet, right? Or else it's still going to be a little bit of a gamble. Like I said, I do think it's going to be very much bearish, so you guys must just bear with me today. So have you guys watched Demon Slayer? if you have, I don't remember his name, and I'm probably gonna get shit for that. But the guy who died, really, spoilers. Before, you know, in case I get yelled at, spoilers. Except if you know what I'm talking about, you should have seen this. The fire guy in the beginning, and he got killed by number 2. Yes. Demon number 2. I forgot his name. That's really bad. I'm sure you guys know who I mean. With the yellow hair and it had like a red tip. He looked pretty damn cool. So every time he ate food, he would go, I'm gonna pretend this is food, right? Tasty! After every bite. To say I've made that my personality is a little bit of an understatement. Probably annoys the shit out of everyone. But do I care? Me. So we're gonna take that little bit of liquidity right there. Yep. Is this a mark one here? Okay. Now we wait and see. Okay, I didn't see that coming. I really thought that it would... Oh, here it comes. So this is why I have ES as well, right? Because ES pushes it, and it gives us a better idea of which way it's going to be pushing Nasdaq. So because it hasn't gotten this liquidity yet on ES, it took that one now, yeah. Because it hasn't gotten, there it goes, and there it takes it, and now it's probably going to start going down. Or just prove me wrong, you know what? I really believe that you guys listen to me and think, what will be funny? Her fucking it all up? Probably. Let's do that. Let's make her believe it's going to do this, and then kind of go, nah. Bloody rude. So, yes. Did it take that and it's now gonna go down? Yeah, okay, it's still way too volatile for me. I'm not, or else it's just gambling, right? Else I may as well have just done the degen. And that's not why we are here. We are here to do proper trading. We've done our back testing, which means we're not here to gamble and fuck around. We are here because we have a plan and a strategy that works for us, and we want the best that we can get, right? Wow, I called that wrong. Is there something that I missed somewhere? Is there some liquidity that I missed? I thought it'd taken... Oh. So reaching all the way for that, you must be shitting me. That's such a high fucking distance. Why would it do that if it had all this? I don't always understand. But you know what, I guess I don't have to. And that's the thing with assumptions, right? Especially when it comes to trading. If you assume, it makes an ass out of you and me. Yeah, that's why we don't assume, right? Wow, y'all are hating on me today. What did I do? Is it just because it's Friday? It's probably because it's Friday. Y'all have better things to do. Which is mean? Okay. So it is consolidating a little bit. If it goes, it's gonna fucking run away. Make it a 2R. I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay, this might be a little bit risque. Hmm. 30 seconds. There's a big fight going on. I just wonder who's gonna win. The sellers are fucking pushing. Why did it do that again? That's not what I wanted. Fuck. It was supposed to be here, and it brought in there. If it didn't do that, I would have been fine. Why did it do that? Did I move it up? I may have moved it up. Fuck, man. Well, that was shitty. Yeah, well, that was a fucking loss. And not even my fault. It would have been fine if it didn't do that. Watch, it's gonna go down now. Oh, God. It's gonna run away. It's not gonna tag me in. Just a little bit higher. Come on, tag me in. Tag me in. So the method was right. And I would have fucking got it. Was that a glitch in the system? I'm gonna fucking watch this back and get fucking angry. Tag me in! You bastard! Tag me in. That was so close. Man. Okay. Well, that just grinds my tits, but anyways. Not much you can do about that, huh? That was fucking disappointing. I'm gonna give it one more candle. Nah, that's run away now. What the shit, man? That would have been a perfect 2R. Fuck you, man. I'm gonna just send a video and explain to my friend what just happened. So I set up my block, and that's where I had my stop at. Okay, obviously with the red, that's where I had my stop at. And I said, okay, sell, and it jumped it up to there. Tagged me in and then tagged me out. If it had been there, I would have been tagged in and had a perfect 2R. Yeah, that made me angry, but that is where I had it set up for my stop. And it, when I said, okay, sell, it went there. Yeah, that was annoying. Sorry. I don't know why it did that. I'm not very fucking happy right now. Look at that. It would have been perfect. It would have been that would have been the thing of beauty. Okay, you know what? At least I know that my strategy is sound, right? My strategy is a good strategy. Strategy isn't the problem. It's fine. I may or may not have rage issues, but you know what? I don't care. The fuck? And now my phone just died. Okay, I'll be right back. Hello, testing. Ta-da! Okay. So... Oh, and we're back to being volatile. Damn. Who pissed you off? What happened? Did I piss you off? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did. I was very mean. I'm sorry. I'm upset, okay? That shouldn't have happened. Oh well. No use crying over spilt milk, right? Unless it's spilled tea, but luckily my tea is still here. It's not spilled, we're still good. So we're not here to spill the tea. I don't have any good gossip for you anyways. Unfortunately. That'd be quite cool, huh? But alas. Earwax. For the few of you that get that, I love you. I'm letting all my nerds show today. And it's so fucking cool. Because you know what? Sometimes you just have to let it out. You have to just be nerdy. You have to just love life. And I don't see the problem with that. My little pom-pom just pulled it all down. Okay, that's fine. So consolidating. Meh. Do I trust it? Meh. I don't know if this is enough of a consolidation right now. It's a fucking big candle. I mean... It's just... almost dicking around too much for me. I just say screw it. I'll try to go here. Around half, eh? Well, that would have been rude. What the fuck? Wow. Thank heavens I'm waiting for my big opening. That would have literally tagged me in and said, fuck you. Kind of like the other one did, except that one was not my fault. That one was not my fault. I'm still angry about it, and I will be fucking angry about it. I'm allowed to be fucking angry about it. Fuck that. Sorry for all the swearing. I'm just upset. Fuck. Make it a stop, make it a limit. Okay, I'm in. I'm in. Came and took this liquidity. And now I want it to be searching. Come on. Search for it, search for it, search for it. Yes. Keep going, the London low is right there. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. It's around half, eh? Yeah. Modify. So it's at break even. Okay. No, come on, go down. Now, show me how close. Check how close it is to that liquidity at ES. Come on. Keep pushing, please don't tag me out. Come on. I can't watch this. I really can't watch this. Because it always does this to me, and if I watch... So I'm gonna be weird and unblinking like an owl. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be weird. The problem is, I see it in my peripheral vision, which freaks me out. Fuck. It might tag me out. So the thing I need to figure out is when I need to call it. So ES is still pushing for the low. The London low is there. Okay. So the thing I need to figure out is when to say it's at break even and when to call it, you know, if you know what I mean. Can I move my buy stop down? Would that be done? No, keep going down, keep going down. Come on, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. When it takes that liquidity, I want to see if I can move this down a little bit more. Oh, come on. No, go back down. Keep going down. Keep going down. Keep going down. No, that's not down, that's up. Come on, come on, come on. The liquidity is right there. Please don't come and tag me out. Please. It is too, isn't it? I can't watch this, guys. It's gonna do it, and I'm gonna be so upset. Come on, go down. Don't you fucking dare. Out of curiosity, right? Would have helped if I checked before. Okay. Break even. break even. Like I said, I can deal with that. Watch it go all the way fucking down now. I really thought, like, check how close it is to this liquidity on ES. I was convinced that's where it was headed on. Okay. Break even there. Like, yeah, like I said, the thing I need to find out is, am I being a chicken shit? Like, am I moving to break even too quickly, and is that where my problem is? Like, if I'd stayed there, would I stay in this? Probably. No? So that's what I need to figure out, right? We need to do some more... all of you guys, me, myself, and I, we need to go and do a little bit more backtesting and figure out what is the best course of action. Like, am I moving my break even down too quickly? I mean, theoretically, no, it was more than halfway. I thought that it was gone bye-bye. To be fair, I don't think it knows what it wants to do. Look at this. Is it super loud? If it is, I'm so sorry. It's fucking consolidating again. It's gonna go down again, isn't it? Yep. So basically, I need to decide, is it worth the risk? Yeah, is it worth the risk? Like, if I keep it there, is it worth it? Thoughts? Ideas? Anyone? You know, it is called Teach Maya Trading. Teach me! Y'all need to tell me what to do and what you think is best. I think I have a pretty solid strategy, but as you can see, there's some fine-tuning that has to go into it. For example, if I'd left my stop there, I would still be in this. But again, there's that very high chance that what if it had just gone fuck you and gone all the way up? I know it's very bearish. So maybe it was, you know, silly of me. I could have waited a little bit longer. Here's a consolidation. Here's a kind of. But, you know, you kind of have to decide. Oh! Never mind. That took all those fucking thoughts right out of my head. Like, what the shit? That was wild. Okay. Let me quickly go see what was said. What my friend had to say about that trade. I'm still waiting. Did you miss me? I'm sorry. I'm getting better. I'm still a little bit sick, but I'm getting better. I mean, oh. What just happened? Where the fuck did that come from? What just happened? Well, that was a fucking break in structure if I ever did seen one. What's going on? I'm glad I didn't place a trade. Damn. Out of curiosity, right? Just for the lols. I promise I don't say that. I promise. It felt right in the moment. If I'd done this, right? If I was like, me, it's better than me and you. And 2R. I mean, I definitely didn't see that coming. Maybe I need to stop swearing so much. I'm sure you guys understand, right? You're trading. You definitely understand. I mean, this is literally a fuck you candle. You gotta swear when you're calling it by its scientific name, right? I heard a noise again. Sorry. If I'm buffering, that's my bad. Wow, this was a massive break in structure. I did not see that coming. And there's an order block. I'm just pinged right off of. Is that an order block? That might be a pretty good order block. Let's have a look quickly. Ah, shit. Upset it. Oh, I upset it.